are you all? Hope you all are well and awesome. So, let's begin chapter 2, computer hardware. So, what is computer hardware? What makes up a computer? What is hardware? Anything you can touch. It is called hardware. So, physical component of a computer system including any peripheral equipment such as printer, modems, mouse, devices, computers, users dictionary, all are called hardware. Look at the picture. There are some pictures of computer hardware. Joystick, mouse, microphone, touch tablet, handheld scanner, keyboard, flatbed scanner. These are the some example of computer hardware. So, what are hardware components? Hardware includes various components like input device, output device, storage device, and system unit. So, let's know about some of them. First is a input device. Now, what is input device? A hardware component that allows you to enter data and instructions into a computer is called an input device. Okay, tell me one thing. If you want to write something, what you will use? Yes, you will use keyboard. So the first input device is keyboard. A keyboard is an input device that is used to enter data into a computer. There are many buttons on it called keys. These keys are pressed to enter data into the computer. It has 101 to 105 keys. Second input device is mouse. A mouse is an input device that fits comfortably under the palm of your hand. It is used to draw pictures and select the object. The top of the mouse has two buttons. You can see here left button and right button. And it has also one small wheel. Next input device is scanner. So what is a scanner? Tell me. Yes, scanner is used to do enter images, text, drawing, etc. into the computer. So you can see here the picture of the scanner. Next input device is joystick. A joystick is an input device that can be attached with a computer to play games. Means if you want to play games in a computer, so you can use joystick. It is used to control different movements in a game. The next input device is microphone. A microphone is an input device that is used to record voice on a computer. Suppose if you want to record your voice, so you can use microphone. Now let's talk about some output devices. So, what are the output devices? Huh? Yes, any hardware component that shows you the final result is called an output device. First output device is monitor. A monitor is an output device that is used to display text, picture and videos. The monitor looks like a television screen. Have you seen a screen at your home? Yes, TV, laptop. There are some screen. Whatever you type with the help of a keyboard is displayed on the monitor. The text or videos which you see on the monitor are called soft copy because the information is displayed for a temporary period of a time. Now let's talk about printer. A printer is used to print text and graphics of paper. The text or graphics we get on the paper are called hard copy because the information is displayed on paper permanently. Now talk about speakers. Speakers are used to hear the sound output from a computer. Li- Like if you are saying something on mobile, you can record it and listen it from the help of a speaker. Now talk about storage devices. So what are the storage devices? Any hardware component that is used to store data, instructions and information for future use is called a storage device. So here hard disk. Hard disk is a storage device. A hard disk is the main storage device in a computer that can store large amount of data at very fast speed. It is also called a hard drive. Now CD-ROM. It stands for compact disk read only memory. CD-ROM. It is also used to save data. The shape of the CD-ROM is circular. It can store up to 700 MB of data. Now, there are some other storage devices also. Now, we'll talk about other hardware components. Other hardware components, what are they? Apart from input, output, and storage devices, there are some other hardware components attached to the computer. These are, look at the picture. This is system unit. System unit is a plastic or metal case that stands near the monitor. Some system units are placed under the monitor. It is the most important part of a computer system. A computer system is also called a computer case. Look at the picture. Let's do activity. Now tell me, is it the CPU or system unit? It is a system unit, or you can say a computer case. CPU is a very important component of a computer which resides in a system unit. Every computer has a system unit. Components inside a system unit. Which components inside a system unit? Motherboard, CPU, hard disk drive and CD-ROM drive. These are the components inside a system unit. So, number one is motherboard. Motherboard is also called the system board or main board. It contains a large number of tiny electronic components. Look at the picture. There are some tiny electronic components. Next is CPU. CPU is Central Processing Unit. You know that what is CPU? CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU is sometimes also called a processor or microprocessor. And as we all are know that CPU is the brain of the computer. Look at the picture here. Disk drivers. Drives inside the system unit are used to store data. These drives are hard disk drive and CD-ROM drive. Okay. So dear children, now read the lesson carefully and now do practice the exercises. Next time we'll do the exercise. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home. Thank you.